Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you how to add Behance link to Instagram. So let's not waste our time and go to behance.net and then log in with your credentials there. Once you're logged in, you have to go to the menu bar, which is in top left corner in 3-line option. Then tap on me. After that, tap on sample profile. Once you're in the profile, you just have to go to the link bar on the top and then copy the link of behance.net, and now go to your Instagram. After opening Instagram, just go to the bottom right corner and then open your profile, then tap on edit profile, then tap on add link, and then go to tap on external link, and now paste your Behance link which you have copied earlier, and then you can give the title naming Behance here, and now tap on the right sign on the top right corner. So now that's it, you have added your Behance link in the Instagram profile, as you can see in the profile page. So if this video is really helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.